name is Tait McLouth, and I'm a research scientist in the material science department. I got started in the aerospace industry through undergrad research. We were working on materials, carbon fiber composites for the aerospace industry, and then from there I got more into additive manufacturing or 3D printing, and that kind of led me right into here. My dad worked at the Lawrence Berkeley lab, and so I kind of always had, I guess, science growing up. He would buy me Legos and kind of getting me into engineering sorts of things. And if you ask him, he'll tell you that I also like to break things a lot. And so coincidentally, that's part of my job here, breaking things, finding out where their material limits are. I think Aerospace is a really good research program where they give funding out for certain projects, and so things that interest us as well as things that we have identified that are useful to our customers, we can pursue those research interests, even though it might not be a direct need of customers. By pursuing that and getting ahead of the problem, we can be experts by the time the customer gets to that point. And so I think the research budget has been a huge help and one of the really cool things about Aerospace. I worked in multiple different groups before I kind of found the thing that I was passionate about, additive manufacturing, and so, but it took me a little bit to get there. The first couple that I tried, they were okay, but I just didn't have that kind of spark for me, and so, but I just kept going, and so I think finding that topic that you really like, that you might not even know exists, is what really helped me kind of become more passionate about my work, and then work doesn't seem all that bad.